Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add friends in Monopoly Go. So let's start by opening up the app and we're going to press the bottom right hand corner where it says friends. And as you can see, we have got two options of how we can add friends. So if we press on the orange button that says contacts, it will give you 30 dice. And it will then ask you to add in your mobile number, and then it will add all the contacts that have got Monopoly Go. They will automatically be added to your friends. Or if we go back to the friends button, and then we've got the green button that says invite. So if we click the orange button that says invite, you can then message people through various different apps, or you can just copy a link and then send it to your friends, or you can do it via Facebook by pressing the blue one. So it wants to open Messenger, so then you can go through and invite friends that way. I really hope this video was useful. If you can hit the like button and the subscribe button, it really does help our channel. We appreciate you watching so much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.